Hey guys, Happy New Year. Welcome back to the channel. We want to talk about the top 5 mods you're going to put on your Onewheel. I know a lot of y'all are cold outside, and it's cold out here, but it ain't as cold as all of y'all out there sitting in the snow. Like, we ain't in the snow. So I just want to have y'all know, sit back and enjoy this fire with us. Hey, we got our Onewheel cleaned up and nice, and we're going to be talking about the top 5 mods you need on your Onewheel. But first, I'm going to open this box right here. Hey, Rick, what's in the box? We got some rails up here. Got some grip tape, a lot of grip tape because it was on sale on the floatlife. Alright, bet. We got some goggles right here. Oh, yeah. Look at these. Let's get into the board mods now. Hey guys, we just started editing the video and we realized we forgot to talk about the most important upgrade is the tire. We didn't talk about the tire at all, and we should have. The quicker you can get out of stock and find a tire that works for you, like they got plenty of tires out there, the Enduro. We personally use the performance tire from Onewheel, which is awesome. It's amazing. I totally recommend it. Whatever works for you, go for it. First 3 items that you need, and like you very much need them, is this lifesavers right here. It's not very easy to change out your hub and get all them scratches. The second thing is you need these rails right here. These rails are super important to protect the side of your board, and you got some bumpers right here. These are another very important thing. I recommend the free ride bumpers because super sturdy and thick. Check this out on why you should get these free ride bumpers right here. Now, I don't know how else to help y'all with saying that the free ride bumpers are the way to go. I've had these for a month, and that's the damage on them. And the regular bumpers, this happened after 2 weeks of having them. 3 pairs of these is a lot more money than 1 pair of these. And if this is lasting 2 weeks and this is lasting a month with that little damage on it, and there's still that much left of it, these aren't even damaged. It is still really good. Perfect. No damage at all. Barely. The next items you should get is definitely some grip tape. As soon as you wear down your grip tape, don't just take off your grip tape immediately. As soon as you can wear it down, I recommend the floatlife trail grip tape. It's got really good activation, and you get it's got holes in the bottom of it, so you get really good activation. This is what it looks like done. We just did it on here. So check out the video. We got this clip right here.
Check that out, guys. Right here. Look at that. See all those holes? That's going to help our sensor activation right there. That's the key.
People ask me all the time how my activation is so good. Well, here's how. Right here.
Oh my God!
Alright, and we're back. That was a little technical difficulty with the microphone. We're good. So as soon as you wear down your grip tape, you're going to put this trail grip tape on your front one. It's got these little holes all throughout the board that are going to air it out and help with your activation. Once you put it on, it'll feel awesome. Your activation will feel great. And you can go check out a video how to pause your board to make it feel even better. Yeah, come on. Real quick. All right, so we got our board open right now, so I want to show you that we paused our board. So that's just a little copper wire that you put. This little piece right here makes my board only have 1 sensor, so I don't have to put both of my, I don't have to put my foot and activate both of them. I could just do one, which helps with a bunch of tricks. We found out very quickly that the custom shaping, you could put it down to 1 foot pad, but it's still got the heel lift. So you can't do the toe tap, like put 1 foot on and then jump back on it. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my God! You can't do that because it thinks you're trying to get off your board and it'll deactivate. So we put it back in after we figured that out. All right, let's talk foot pads. So this is a Cush wad right here from the Floatlife, and it looks good, feels good. It's nice when you ride. This is one option. We have the low boy foot pads, which it looks more complete on your board and doesn't have this big lip in the back, which still feels nice when you're riding, but I like having it. It's smaller lip, so it still works perfectly fine, but it's just a whole lot cleaner. These are good because they're low down to the ground and you feel more center of gravity so you can control your board better. So the next thing I want to talk about is a fender. We ride without a fender because I like to see my open tire on the road. It looks awesome. So hit me. All right, there we go. We got our fender right here. I recommend getting the hybrid fender so you could just snap one on. When it rains, you know, you like snap your little fender on, snap one on, and then when you're riding regular in the beautiful day, you just take it off, put it off to the side. Then when it rains again, you snap it back on. I like to ride it with the rain because when it rains, it's shooting up water everywhere. So I ride with a fender so I don't get wet. Hey, why are you so far away? Come in close, come in close. Come on, come on. Closer. Keep coming. Come on. All right, there you go, there you go. All right, so the reason we got a bonus item for y'all. All right, shh, don't say that too loud. Don't say that. We got a little bonus item. So I like to have some nice colored lights. I don't like having the regular white lights. We like having the colored lights up in here. So we're gonna turn on the board, and as you can see, we got some nice blue lights in the front. We got some blue lighting on the board because I like it better. It's nice. It's nice to have some color items. You can get those in any color. Just go check out our video right here, and you can see that how we put this on, and you can get it for yourself. So check it out. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna trick it out and test this activation out. Peace.
What? Is the board on?
I think you forgot to plug in the sensor. I'm not gonna lie. It's not.
Oh my God.
2 hours later.
All right, we're back after another technical difficulty. As I was saying, I'll see y'all later. Peace. All right, there we go. All right, let's talk the advanced toe tap. We're gonna drop this foot down and then bring it over and then touch it on the other side and keep it going. I'm gonna show you that. Oh, first try. Oh, too easy, baby.
It's the tape, bro.
That's what I'm talking about.
Freshy grip tape. Nothing like fresh grip tape, man. Golly.